Don't be scared of red blush. Don't be scared of red blush. This is the Morphe Cheek Thrills. Not cheap, even though it is priced nicely. We've got a cream, a shimmer cream, and then a powder. I love these. And I was scared, as many of us are, of a red blush. Like, what are we talking about? So I get a little bit. I get a little bit of this, a little bit of that. So a little tap, tap, tap. But red blush can be really lovely. You just have to, take it easy at first. Don't go cray cray. Now, I do come from a very blushy family, so I typically go for a lot of blush. I have not done my face powder yet. I did all my creams, and then I like to go back after with the face powder to kind of help blend it all together. So now I'm going to kind of switch it over, do a little bit of that shimmer one on the high point. And I know that looks a little crazy. I look like a baby doll, but hold on. Don't freak out, okay? We're going to blend it a little bit. Just like little circles. Little circles. Don't go too far outside where you started, because then you're just going to have blush all over your face. Then if you want to do the powder blush, you can do that next. I might throw a little bit on there. This one's a little orangey. I don't want to go too orange. Now I'll do my face powder, and it'll kind of help make that look a little bit more seamless. Just wanted to tell you, don't be scared. Don't be scared. Just go for it. Life's too short, right? Enjoy the red blush. Now we just kind of get a little bit on there. Look how different. Well, not that different, but it smoothed it out a little bit. I'm 49 years old, so I don't do like the baking and all that. That's a no-no for me. I just do a light dusting. I feel like a lot of people would probably shy away from a red blush like that, because we typically go for the bubblegum pink colors. Like they do have one of those, and it's gorge and love, right? And, kind of a peachy tones, but I just wanted to share. This red one is really pretty too. Cabana Club. Cabana. The hottest spot north of Havana. Anyway, that's all I had to say. I like the one with the shimmer. All you got to do is get you a small, this is a Morphe brush. This one from my cream blushes. But you just get kind of a small blush brush so you can do these little circles so you don't stray out too far. Anyway, that's all. Okay, I'll let you go. All right, bye. Here's the final look. Would you wear a red blush? All right, thanks for watching. My name's Amber Wood, almost 50 makeup mom. Okay, bye.